The iyarn app's been fantastic for our footy club. For the girls to be able to use that app on their mobile after games, before games, has been fantastic for them and our wellbeing officer to track how their mental health and wellbeing is going.
For me, I love iyarn because of the data. I'm such a data nerd, so I just love tracking how they're traveling and seeing that if I've given them some advice, I can just keep on quietly checking their data and see that strategy is really working for that player and they're feeling a lot better, perhaps without even realising.
I think the point of difference from anything we've used before is we can use it as a comparison week to week.
Sometimes when you do feel like I'm just having a terrible day and nothing's going right, it breaks your life up into all these different segments, so you can start to appreciate while this part of my life isn't going very well at the moment, I can actually appreciate that my job, for example, is going fabulous. You can start to appreciate what is working for you and what you might need to address, and then you have actual data to help you do that.
Being a sporting club as well, it allows us to customise our own things so we can get more of the performance side of it. So we've got one wheel which we check our wellness, and Mondays and Fridays we update that and that information goes back to our S&C coach and our wellness officer. But we've also got the performance, so after training we can track how much we've done, and that information as well goes back to the S&C coach. So not only the performance side but also the wellness side, we found both really helpful.
You can go up to someone and ask how you're going and they say, yeah, good, and leave it at that. But when you've got something measurable and they can sort of identify, a decrease in performance might be, because you haven't slept really well for that week. And so for them checking in, it's been really important.